A Charlotte-based developer is working to turn a once blighted area in East Charlotte into a bright spot for our community. The Easttown Market may have once been a spot only for shopping and dining, but as WCNC Charlotte's Nick Sturdivant shows us, the developer is also seeking solutions to make sure people there have access to health care.
Easttown Market along EWT Harris Boulevard in Charlotte looks much different today.
It was in total disrepair. Much of the infrastructure was damaged or decayed.
Compared to when Todd Collins' company, Red Hill Ventures, first bought this property in 2017.
And when we would come and work within the communities, we would always see an issue. There's a lack of services for those communities.
Collins says they faced an uphill battle. On one hand,
it was largely vacant. We had a 40% economic occupancy.
But on the other, he says they wanted to address the needs here.
To do that, we needed health care, we needed education, we needed people to work and eat and just enjoy the center so that it created economic momentum for the broader community. And so a dentist office, specifically a pediatric dentist office, was top on our list.
I knew there was no care in this area. In fact, our research showed there was almost 15,000 kids within 3 miles of this center with no children's dentist.
James McGarvey is with Hickory Grove Pediatric Dentistry.
Most of our patients went without care for years. Again, there's no pediatric dentist within 3 miles.
Hickory Grove is one of the 45 new tenants here at Easttown Market over the last several years. From barbershops to restaurants to child care and primary health care services. Collins says the center has had a $24 million economic impact so far.
What's working? What's not working? What do you envision for the future of this?
Well, we're fortunate. We've just recruited a law firm. We have a general medical practitioner who's moving in. So we're starting to see a bit of momentum. What we'd love to do is get healthier food options from either regional or local brands. And we'd also like to get additional healthcare providers.
Collins says so far Easttown Market has employed more than 200 people. He adds he would love to bring in specialty providers like a chiropractor and a dermatologist. Nick Sturdivant, WCNC Charlotte.
Part of our job as journalists is to highlight the efforts of those working to change our community for the better. That's why we created our Seeking Solutions brand, to hear from those voices, and that's what you'll hear. So whose voice are we missing? A lot of our great story ideas, they come from you at home. So if you or someone you know is working to make a difference, let us know. Send an email to newstips@wcnc.com.